مرحبا. I'm sorry for the video. I recorded it for 19 minutes and I went to an hour and 40 minutes. I'm sorry for this reason. I am redoing this but with a shorter video. For the first one, I'm going to do the present tense for the personal pronoun I, you, and he and she. So we are going to cover only the present tense for these personal pronouns. So follow me. So we are going to do, remember, number one, we did the present tense, right? And number two, we did the past tense, and number three is the future. Now let's focus number one, which is the present tense. So I'm going to do Anna, Enta, Enti, Hua, and Hiya. So for these personal pronouns, I have a video on the personal pronoun on my playlist for beginner level. So Enta, Ana, and you know this is how I spell Ana, Enta, Enti, Hua. I don't know if I am doing it correctly. Here. So we said Ana, Ana Saeed, or I'm gonna do مشغول. Ana مشغول. مشغول is mesh and غول. I don't know, مشغول. أنت مشغول. 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 The same thing. أنتِ of course is going to be مشغولة because it's a feminine. مشغولة. And هو مشغول. مشغول. And هي مشغولة because she. Okay. So for the present tense, this is how I am going to express the adjective, like describing myself in the present tense. Now I'm being busy, or I am busy. So basically it's gonna translate I am busy. It's أنا مشغول. I am busy. أنت مشغول. You are busy. You masculine singular are busy. أنت مشغولة. You feminine singular مشغولة. هو مشغول. He is مشغول. He is busy. And هي مشغولة. So let's want to say I'm not, or you are not, or he is not. So for the not, you are going to keep the مشغول in this place. Okay, so it's gonna come here like مشغول. So مشغول, مشغولة, مشغول, مشغولة, and مشغول, and مشغولة, مشغولة. So what you are going to do to say I'm not, you are going to come here and say less to. And if you want to see how you are going to pronounce it, less to. Less and to. Less to, or you can do it with the U or with the O. Less to. مشغول. I am not busy. لست. لست. مشغول. Which is, if you, as you can see, is less and to. Is لست. لست مشغول. أنت لست مشغول. So ta. أنت is going to be less t. It kind of connect to rhyme with the pronoun. أنت لست. أنتِ لستِ. And this is less أنتِ. هو just the infinitive or later, because actually it's a verb in the past tense, but you know is used to negate noun and adjectives. Is ليس. ليس, lay, and sa, For she is ليست. 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 لي and set. ليست. Okay, so and now لست مشغول. أنت لست مشغول. أنتِ لستِ مشغولة. هو ليس مشغول and هي ليست مشغولة. So this is for how to express yourself in the present tense. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next video. مع السلامة.